Hi Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Welcome po sa ating channel. Ito ang inyong Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 9, 2023. Please be reminded that this is channel reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 10. Please select, subscribe, and click bell button para updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano po ang ganap today? Energy today para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong September 9, 2023. So, you are overwhelmed. Some of you nagkaroon din ng burdens. May dinadala kang mabigat na bagay, ngunit malalampasan mo rin ito. This is only temporary. Just keep on going. Huwag kang mag-say yes kung hindi kaya ng schedule mo or yung gawain. Baka makaranas ka ng burnout sa sobrang dami ng gawain. Busy kayo ngayon sa inyong trabaho. So, this is nagkaroon kayo ng fast action sa isang bagay. Maaaring yung trabaho nyo is connected to your passion. Ito ang oras na mag-take action ka na sa iyong proyekto o ideas. Consider this card as a green light to begin. This card asks you to have confidence in taking action. Maraming nagsuporta sa iyo. So, let's see the advice po, Spirit guys, para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong September 9, 2023. Ascending the mountain. Keep going forward. So, keep going. Keep going. Kasi nagkaroon kayo ng hard work para maabot nyo itong abundance. Okay? So, another advice, answering the call. The time is now. So, this is the connected from your second card, Knight of Wands. So, the time is now to take an actions. Kung may plano ka magtayo ng negosyo, this is the time. So, what's the message pa po? Mensahe niyo po para sa career and money ni Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong September 9 po. So, this is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng stagnation. Siguro nagkaroon ka ng burnout talaga. Natuloy itong burnout na pangyayari sa sobrang dami ng trabaho. Oo. Sa sobrang pagod. Nagkaroon ng stagnation. So, take the advice na kunin mo lang yung kaya mo. Baka hindi mo ma-meet yung expectation na matapos. Kasi nakikita ko dito nagkaroon ng unsuccessful or nagkaroon ng failure sa inyong gawain. So don't be. Kailangan yung balansehin ang inyong schedule or kailangan din mag-say no kung hindi ka na bakante. So this is a reverse card again. Nagkaroon kayo talaga ng pagod. Sa sobrang trabaho sa inyong buhay, karera. Naging impatience din kayo. Gusto nyong madaliin yung sitwasyon. Pinupush mo yung sitwasyon para magkaroon ng maagang resulta. So don't be. One at a time lang, hinay-hinay. Dahan-dahan. So let's see your love and romance. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong September 9. Inaalala mo ang past o childhood mo. Nag-isip ka ng mas better pa yung past than the present. May unhealthy attachment ka sa nakaraan. Hindi ka pa naka-move on. Pwede rin may unexpected visitor ka ngayon o may magme-message sa iyo ngayon na bigla mong naalala ang nakaraan. The advice is let the memories rest. These people have no place in your future. So let go na. Focus on your present for your future. This is a reverse card again. Nagkaroon ng anxiety sa pag-iisip sa inyong past. So, the advice is forgive yourself. Forgive the past. It's part of your life now. Kunin mo yung learning journey mo. Kasi matutunan mo yan, magagamit mo yan soon. Mas mahalaga na realize mo kung ano yung tama at mali para maiwasan ito sa future po. So, let's see the advice po. The ganap po sa mga single. Advice po para sa mga single. Ngayong September 9 para sa mga fire signs. Trust your intuition. Connect to your intuition. So, she's always right, or the intuition is always right. So, connect to the intuition. Let's see the advice po para sa mga may relasyon. Don't let guilt get in the way of happiness. Let's see. Hingi tayo ng message po para sa mga hidden truth. Let's see. Para sa mga single po na it might be you. Iniisip na yung past love or the one that got away. Or maniligaw mo ngayon. I want to feel that way. I want to feel that way again. It might be you or it might be your past love. So sa mga relasyon, sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So, what's the love advice po para sa air signs, Aries, Leo, ngayong September 9? Soulmate, your soulmate is already within you, with you in spirits. Believe this and they will manifest physically. So, sa mga single dyan, i-manifest nyo na darating na yung soulmate nyo. Because the universe tells you na kailangan yung i-manifest para ibigay niya. Darating ito ng maaga. So, what's the advice po para sa mga air signs, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong September 9? A personal issue reaches resolution. What's the angel, archangel advice po? Spirit guides advice? Message from Archangel Sandalphon. Be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people, situations, and environment. That is your reading today, fire signs. Balik po kayo dito bukas sa September 10 reading. Please like, subscribe, and click the button for notification para po updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.